This right here may look like a normal cup of coffee, but it is actually the most meaningful cup of coffee you can have in Aruba. We are here at the MFA building in Paradera, home to one-of-a-kind cafe. It is a cafe like any other where you can grab a coffee, a snack, a cookie, or even lunch at affordable prices. But what sets it apart is its unique staff. The team members serving you are persons with limitations. Say hello to...
I'm Jennifer.
I'm Vitayama Daisy.
And I'm Kevin.
They are genuinely happy to serve you, and I'm not just saying that. There is a different meaning for them to be able to serve you. For them, this opportunity represents something far greater. They are dedicated, enthusiastic, and truly grateful to be included as part of the workforce.
Our clients here that we have a one-of-a-kind cafe, they come here and they say, bon dia, with such a big smile on their face because they're so excited to just be doing the work. They're excited to be visible, to talk to people. And One-of-a-kind cafe, I think, is one of the most beautiful projects that we have started because it's something that's so visible to the community. You don't even have to do anything to contribute to inclusion because once you enter our cafe, you buy a cup of coffee, right? That's already such a big difference towards inclusion because before that, this group of people didn't even have that opportunity. They didn't have the moment that they could shine to really show the public that I'm here and I can do this and I have the confidence to be able to keep going forward.
The simple act of working, having the opportunity to work, is something many of us may take for granted or even complain about. But for these individuals, the opportunity to work and be productive members of society is something they treasure deeply. For Kevin, having this chance has meant real personal growth.
What amazes me is, for example, Kevin, which when I started at Trampolim Patrabo, he was very quiet and very shy. And as we put him into the team of One-of-a-Kind Cafe, he completely bloomed and he opened up, and now he is the one that is gonna take your order, is gonna give you your order with a smile. And together with Daisy and Jennifer today, we can see an amazing synergy going on as a team.
Kevin loves to sit here at the cafe when there are no customers. But the moment someone orders a coffee, believe me when I say he is on his feet and ready. His dedication is something to admire. Due to his autism, Kevin takes his breaks at exactly the scheduled time, not a minute earlier. And he is back to his post just as precisely, not a minute later. Team leader Joraine Lopez says her team does not focus on what these individuals cannot do. Instead, they explore and maximize what they can. One-of-a-Kind Cafe is made possible by a foundation called Trampolim Patrabo, meaning trampoline for work. The inspiration behind the name, meaning springboard to work, reflects exactly what they do: launch persons with disabilities into the workforce.
So at Trampolim Patrabo, we don't focus on the person's disabilities. We actually put their abilities into the spotlight. So as we call them, they're superpowers, and we try to detect them and we expose these. So we bring them to light. So whenever that we have to put them on a job or to recommend them to a company, we highlight those traits first. And then we do the term that we call job carving. So we make sure that the job actually applies to the person that we are putting into work.
Trampolim Patrabo operates a full center where individuals are prepared for the job market in more ways than one. They even have an industrial kitchen, the source of everything on the cafe's menu. Every snack and treat you enjoy at One-of-a-Kind Cafe is made by persons with disabilities. The work that Isabella, Joraine, and the entire foundation team are doing is important, very important. They are fighting stigma and challenging the misconception society holds about what persons with disabilities are capable of, which it turns out is far, far more than most people give them credit for.
I could do anything that I put my mind to, right? But this group of people, they can do that as well. They just need the extra push and the extra guidance. And once you put them in that environment, you will be amazed at all of the things that they can achieve. Because just like I'm sitting here and I'm working for this beautiful organization, they can do that as well. Once you break barriers, once you have this type of group into the labor market, then you really notice the beauty that inclusion is, the beauty that inclusion brings to a whole community.
Since its founding in 2015, Trampolim Patrabo has worked with countless individuals, developed their skills, and successfully placed them within Aruba's job market. Their goal is not temporary employment. It is sustainable, long-term opportunity. The foundation walks alongside each person every step of the way to prepare them.
Throughout the course of 11 years, we have seen many success stories, including a person that is blind, that is currently working as a prep cook at one of the big companies on the island. So we are very thankful for these opportunities. But we also have other different persons with limitations that have been thriving for the past 5, 6, or even 10 years already working.
We want to raise awareness for this cause because it is for this group finish school, there's nothing really out there for them to continue with. And with Trampolim Patrabo, we are there. When they finish school, we guide them, they enter into our program, we have skill building workshops, they learn financial literacy, they learn how to hold themselves professionally, and also how to be in a workplace. And not only by themselves, we have 2 job coaches in our program, and these job coaches go on site with our clients. So they're never by themselves, they're never alone. We are there to guide them step by step along the way.
The next time you are looking for a place to grab a coffee, a snack, or lunch, even if it is a little out of your way, make the effort to choose one-of-a-kind cafe. And while you are there, ask Daisy about their loyalty points program.
Senhora, essa aqui tá e-card para ora botar comprar coffee, cominda e botar haya grátis ora bokina.
Ora me llega quanto?
Te ora boiega full na te ora que llega na botar haya grátis coffee.
Saco de 10, no?
Aha.
Ah, sim.
Sim, de ora me tava stemplo pavo. E ora botar queda com e-card.
Ok.
The act of buying coffee, you don't think much further than that. But at One of a Kind Cafe, you buy a coffee and you help build confidence. You help someone enter the labor market. You help someone build their skills up. It's so much more than just a coffee.
From Monday through Friday, starting 7:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m., for the most meaningful cup of coffee in Aruba, head to One of a Kind Cafe inside the MFA building in Paradera. You can find them on Google. Just search One of a Kind Cafe and make your way over. Support your community, believe in people with limitations, and be part of the movement that gives these workers a chance to truly thrive within Aruba's workforce.